Hi everyone. Let's get right to the subject of the day. I will evoke the possibility to sell one pallet of wine or spirit in one weekend. The first important thing, why choosing this catchy title? It's because we have already think that it impossible. When I told you, you can sell a pallet in a weekend, you imagine selling it in a wine show. And you do not imagine that, can do it without wine shows. And today, you already know it, wine shows are very limited, cancelled, even postponed. So the first thing I want to share with you is that everything that we create, being a human, being a community, at the beginning, we create it with our mind. So, simply, human being imagine what he will create, and after that, he finds a way to create it. If this video can make you understand that you can create the sales of one pallet of your wine and spirit in one weekend, yet, the fact that you understand and integrate in your thinking universe, that it's possible. You will be able to create this result. Why?
C'est que tout simplement, l'être humain imagine ce qu'il veut créer et après, il trouve les moyens pour le créer. Donc déjà, si cette vidéo peut t'aider à comprendre que tu peux créer la vente d'une palette de ton vin, de ton champagne ou d'une demi-palette de spiritueux en un week-end, déjà le fait de comprendre et d'intégrer dans ton univers de pensée que c'est possible, tu vas pouvoir créer ce résultat. Pourquoi?
At start, we have some thoughts. Like, when I tell you we'll sell a pallet in one weekend, being relaxed at home with your family, without having the need to move from home, and finally, without managing this weekend of pallet sales, as the sales are automatized. So this thought brings you to an emotion. Okay, it's possible. I've heard what Galati said, if it's possible, how will I do it myself? You will notice, it brings you to actions. And the actions, with a series of actions, bring you the results. To believe that it is possible, you have to debunk your false beliefs.
Pour croire que c'est possible, qu'est-ce qu'il faut que tu fasses? Il faut que tu sais, en anglais on dit débunker. Il faut que tu exploses tes fausses croyances.
And I can give you a list of it, and here, if you want to, we can work on this matter. To debunk it together, it's very useful and refreshing, and above all, it gives you back the energy to do what need to be done.
Ça te redonne de l'énergie pour faire ce qu'il faut, en débunkant, en faisant exploser comme ça ces fausses croyances, ça t'ouvre un univers de possibilités qui t'ouvre sur des nouvelles pensées, qui t'ouvre sur des nouvelles émotions positives, qui t'ouvre sur des actions au-delà de ce que tu peux faire avec moi, des actions tout autour de toi différentes et qui t'ouvrent finalement sur des résultats beaucoup plus positifs pour faire avancer ton chemin de vie.
When you debunk these false beliefs, it debunks an universe of possibilities which open on new thought, on new positive emotion and on unbelievable actions. So, I wanted to tell you this, why? Debunk these false beliefs, it's to explode a roof of glass and it's a great way to move forward professionally. After that, it deblocks some actions. So what I recommend firstly is, to differentiate from the appellation, and actually, create your own CRU, on which you have the control. So it's to awake the soul of your wine, to connect yourself to your deep identity, to be completely autonomous and independent of your appellation. That does not mean that we do not need the appellation, but it will be the second, third level of information. Thus, by this way, you find again the freedom and the creation of value.
La première chose, tu vois, si tu es le maître de ton cru et de ton monopole et que l'appellation est juste secondaire ou tertiaire, tu vois, toute la liberté et l'autonomie de création de valeur que tu retrouves. Donc ça, c'est vraiment la première chose que l'on fait ensemble.
The second things, to sell you pallet in one weekend, is that, I make you create an online shop in only 4 hours, and without webmaster. In 2 hours, we do some setup and deal with the payment option, and in other 2 hours, we complete the sales page in an efficient way. I have got wine growers, who have fun doing it being on holidays. Often you have in mind what you want, and you will have lost a lot of time explain it to a webmaster, and it will never be the same as you want. So the good practice is to put your hand on the keyboard and do it yourself. Today, I use Californian tools, which are incredible to my point of view. So, after that, I will make you do a video, and I will help you. We will write the script and do all the setup together. Then we bring traffic, visitors, viewers onto your video, in order to go back to the online shop to buy wine.
Je te montre comment avoir le texte pendant que tu te filmes, on règle la lumière, on règle ton son, on règle ce qu'on appelle le setup, le décor derrière toi. Et puis, on amène ce qu'on appelle du trafic, des visites, des visiteurs, des viewers sur ta vidéo pour aller sur la boutique pour acheter ta quille, tu vois. Et après, si tu veux, c'est tout le temps.
And it's every time the same process. That's why I said that my club is like a driving class. At start you will need your teacher, but the goal is that you work without that teacher after.
Et tu prends de plus en plus d'autonomie et d'indépendance. Au départ, tu m'as en tant que copilote et maître d'auto-école, mais l'idée, c'est que tu n'aies pas besoin de moi après et qu'au contraire, tu implémentes et créativement, tu te déploies sur les bases sécures et les bons réflexes que je t'ai appris pour bien conduire, mais après tu conduis.
And what is magical with this tools and its automated option on internet is that your business grow without the need to hire someone, without a cost for salary. And when it's bigger you can delegate without using the traditional work format. The delegation on internet is a new international system. So when you are more autonomous to drive, we move forward, by going to London for example. It can also be New York, Berlin, but let's take the example of London. What's happening there? It's the Brexit, and to go deeper, we have mutation virus. And what happened? You have some people there who are thirsty.
Qu'est-ce qui se passe à Londres pendant ce temps? C'est le Brexit. Et comme c'est le Brexit, tu vois, en plus, pour bien mettre le truc bien down, t'as un virus mutant. Et qu'est-ce qui se passe? T'as des Anglais qui ont soif.
And how does it work, with new system of distribution? To end up on the tablet, on the mobile phone, on the PC of this London consumer with your video, tasting your wine, like you do in wine shows, except that here, you make it only one time, and you make the have an envy for your wine. Instead of making the tasting 10 times like in wine shows, now you make it once, and the video do the rest for you.
Comme ça dans ton décor authentique. Surtout, au lieu de la faire 10 fois comme sur un salon, où ça te fatigue toi-même de t'écouter parler, là tu l'as fait une fois. Comme moi, tu vois, je te délivre le message une fois, il est en vidéo, c'est enregistré, t'as pas à le refaire 15 fois.
And it's a direct communication with the wine grower and the London consumer, will order direct with the vineyards. And we have a system in our logistics club to deliver it in 48 hours. And all the papering step is done for you. While being in holidays, relax with family and friends, your palette is selling by itself, you just have to make the sum of orders on Monday. Once you master it a weekend, you can accelerate the process the next weekend, making 2 or 3 palette more. So you can sell your palette in a weekend. It's very important to understand that it is possible, that we have wine grower you do it, that the process is accessible by taking action.
C'est très important déjà de comprendre que c'est possible, de comprendre qu'on a des vignerons qui le font, que le process est tout à fait accessible en passant à l'action.
If you want it, I help a limited amount of wine grower in my club. I cannot help 100 wine growers. I'm helping 20. I have a seat that will be available soon. So for the one who is ready to take action when the seat will be available, I put here the link to my agenda.
Qui est prêt à passer à l'action dès que cette place se libère, je vais te mettre la date et je vais te mettre le lien vers mon agenda. Donc il y a une fausse croyance.
And according to your wine and spirit, according to his price, its quality level, and to what you have already do, I will see to give you a sure prognosis in order to sell you wine better. Thank you. Bye.